How much of a surprise is this? I mean, if you look at the Deputy Crown Prince, until yesterday, he was in charge of Vision 2030. He was the one that was going to bring Saudi into a new era.
Yeah, he was highly influential amongst the ruling leaders and in the government. I think the thing that's surprising here has got to be the timing. You know, everyone knew that this young prince, this 31-year-old deputy crown prince, had ambitions, and we saw him launch his ambitions in various ways. We had him spearheading the Vision 2030 project. We had him investing in technology stocks. We had him really courting the younger segment of the Saudi population, building up the base. And a lot of people appreciated those efforts. Now, the reverse side of that is some people also thought or think that he's a little bit too aggressive, a little bit too power hungry, and that he was moving things too fast in Saudi Arabia. Now they're waking up this morning and they're seeing that all those rumors about him building up power are turning out apparently to be true.
Tracy, that's a wonderful analysis of the tensions between an older conservative Al Saud family and maybe a more liberal or progressive Saud family. Both conservatives and liberals have to deal with $43 oil. What is the tip point for the family on oil? Is it 40-something? Is it 50? Or do I dare say they need $60 a barrel?
Yeah, the break-even is interesting here. I've seen some research saying that it's actually higher than it was last year. The interesting thing, of course, is how this will play into bin Salman's plans to reform the economy and wean the country off oil. Of course, on the one hand, higher oil prices can help that project along, both by garnering some support and by giving the government more funds to enact some additional stimulus measures. And it's interesting today, for instance, we saw the Saudi government saying that it was going to roll back some of the cuts on government officials' salaries and bonuses. But on the other hand, you know, lower oil prices can spur some of these efforts to diversify the economy, and that's certainly been the pitch that a lot of Saudi rulers have been giving their population.